Ocean Power Technologies has just been issued a notice of allowance by the United States Patent and Trademark Office for its groundbreaking system for an autonomous, floating marine charging solution. This technology enables electric vessels, including uncrewed surface vehicles, to safely locate, dock with, and recharge from a floating energy platform while at sea. The newly allowed patent protects OPT's breakthrough system, which is designed to address the increasing demand for clean maritime operations. By enabling offshore electric charging without reliance on port infrastructure, OPT is solving a real-world bottleneck to persistent, autonomous maritime operations. This technology will be a cornerstone of how OPT's WAM-V autonomous surface vehicles operate in extended missions when paired with its Powerbuoy. The floating charging station will integrate seamlessly with the Powerbuoy platform, allowing it to serve as both a power generation node and a recharging hub. This will enable WAM-V autonomous surface vehicles to conduct long-duration missions with minimized downtime and no need for shore return. The patent covers multiple key features, including signal-emitting guidance systems, flexible and secure mooring structures, wired and wireless energy delivery mechanisms, and options for wave-powered self-sustaining energy generation. This innovation is core to OPT's vision of scalable, intelligent offshore infrastructure, and the company is well-positioned to lead in offshore autonomy. With this patent, OPT strengthens its IP portfolio and expands its capacity to support clients operating in remote or infrastructure-limited marine environments. The solution provides a foundational capability for extending the range and autonomy of uncrewed maritime systems. OPT's president and CEO, Philip Stratmann, emphasizes that this patent exemplifies the kind of transformative thinking that allows the company to lead in offshore autonomy. By enabling persistent power at sea, OPT is not only increasing the endurance of its WAM-Vs, but also expanding what's possible for its defense, commercial, and scientific customers. Another strong step in building a truly intelligent and resilient ocean infrastructure. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.